Here's a 2016 Honda Civic sedan. Get more mileage out of every drive with this Civic. It's well equipped with the features you need: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, air conditioning, doors and push-button start proximity key, manual tilting steering column, continuously variable automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and i4 engine. Consumer Reports explains the Civic's ride is unusually refined for a compact car. The suspension keeps the car steady and composed overall but the nastiest bumps. Braking is responsive and confident during panic stops. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Welcome to your comfort zone. Honda of Tenafly. We're conveniently located minutes away from Route 4, Route 9W, and the Palisades Interstate Parkway.